Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I really enjoy African food. I think of Moroccan kefta tagine, peri-peri chicken, hawashi, Ethiopian red pepper sauce, shashuka, merguez, and many other recipes, as well as this one, Bunny Chow. I said, what? You heard that right. No, it is not the name of a stripper. This is a delicious South African street food. This tasty mixture is made with vegetables, spices, chickpeas, and chicken and served in hollow bread. So yummy. So let's get cooking. In a large sauté pan or Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add ghee, and when it gets hot, we'll add the onions, season with ground sea salt, then toast them for 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the red peppers and cook for 2 minutes as well. To this, we'll add pressed garlic, minced ginger, a couple tablespoons, a cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamom pods, some curry powder, as well as ground cumin, I love that spice, followed by garam masala and some fennel seeds. We'll saute the ingredients constantly for a couple minutes before adding the tomato paste, and then we'll stir to coat. We'll now add the chicken that we've cubed, quickly stir the meat into the mixture, and then season with freshly ground black pepper. I'll pass on the salt because earlier I seasoned the onions with it, but feel free to add more if you want. We'll cook the chicken cubes until no longer pink, which should take about 5 minutes, stirring often. A few minutes later, we'll add diced tomatoes, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and cubed Yukon Gold potatoes. We'll mix the ingredients until nicely combined because it will determine how much broth we need. Then we'll pour in the chicken broth, enough so it covers everything. I normally start with a cup, and if it's a little shy, I add another half a cup. Keep in mind that we're making a curry, not a soup, so again, we need just enough to cover. That's all. We'll stir well, making sure the potatoes are covered by pushing them down into the mixture and bringing it to a boil before reducing back to medium. We'll let it simmer for 25 minutes or until the potatoes are almost tender. Meanwhile, we'll look after the bread. Here are a couple Kaiser buns, and using a serrated knife, we'll simply cut the tops off. Not too much, as these will become our food vessels. From here, we'll empty the inside by cutting around the edges. I'm using a steak knife, which is smaller and easier to handle than a serrated knife. And then, using our fingers, we'll remove the rest of the bread. Just like this. And we'll set them aside. Back to the stove. After 25 minutes, the potatoes are almost done, with a slight resistance to them. So what we'll do is to add the chickpeas that have been rinsed and drained, and some freshly squeezed lime juice. We'll stir once again and cook the mixture for 10 minutes, making sure to push down the ingredients so they're submerged. When time is up, we'll remove the cinnamon stick, discard it, and remove the curry from the heat, letting it rest for 10 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll spoon the mixture into our prepared bread bowls, sprinkle on some fresh chopped cilantro, and serve them with a couple lime wedges. And my friends, this is our Bunny Chow. With a delicious combination of ingredients, this popular South African favorite has to be on your to-do list. It's easy to make and a nice comforting one-pot meal everyone will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!